Welcome back. For tutorial number 4, we're going to look at how we add pages. As you can see, this is the bar, and below this it will show us kind of the hierarchy of our pages, much like websites and Google Sites. But down here you're going to see the icon. If you go scroll to the bottom of your screen, that will say add page. Here we're going to add a content page. If you want, you can also select a very customized path, but that's something we'll discuss in a further tutorial. Once you've named that page, you'll hit done, and then you will see that we now have a content page here. So we'll have a hyperlink to take us to our home page, and now back to content. Once we get in there, it's important to notice though, in content, you can make a copy, you can adjust the properties, add another subpage below that, or you can actually hide from navigation, as you can see there, and you'll also notice that the link is not there. Also too, it's important if you make a mistake, it's real easy to come here and hit delete. Under the properties, you can also change this name here and go back to the advanced properties tab that you have there as well. But remember that the 3 dots here will also help you navigate the bar, and when you go back in here to go and insert. So once you're on your page, you can see we're on content. Now we can go and we get our other tools, and as we'll see in the future tutorial, we'll talk about how we add from different Google tools.